Chef here. So you can see a few of the ingredients that I'm going to be using in the stew right here. Put a little edge back on this knife. Okay, and I'll go over them with you real quick, okay? First we got this awesome marinated beef with a wet rub. It's going to be good. If you're not sure about that, watch the other video. Carrots, some heirloom tomatoes, onions, fresh leek. Oh, look at that leek. Yeah, we'll be using the top and the bottom as well. I got some beer from Germany. This German beer is supposed to be good. It's going to make my stew kick. And with some sunflower oil. I thought that was kind of cool. And that comes from our friends up there in Ukraine and Russia. Very unusual. It was on sale. I thought I'd try it. What the heck? All right, so we're going to move along here. Keep an eye on what I'm doing. I do believe in peeling my carrots. That's going to be one of the first things. I always trim the top and the bottom of the leek like this, right there. And we save the trimmings. We save this for stock. Same goes with the carrots. We cut the carrots a couple at a time, and we save the tops and the bottoms for the stock, and we peel them up. Just like this. These are awesome carrots, by the way. These came from a small farm up in Canada. I like the fact that they're a little unusual. This one's got some green to it, little color. Beautiful root vegetables, yeah. So we're going to chop these up, and again, this gets saved for stock. The peeler I'm using comes from Sweden. Thing pays for itself. It's so fast. Combined with a little skill, of course, you get through these carrots in about maybe 20 seconds a piece or so. Perfect. Okay, in the comment section, please tell us what you do with your carrot peels. We'd like to know. All right. Good. Leek. You always want to split your leek. You want to rinse it off because leeks grow in sand. As you might know, there's actually a lot of sand up in here. You can see that. I want to remove that. Okay, the leeks have been cleaned. I'm going to cut my leeks a little bit smaller. They're lots of flavor and they're quite fibrous. So you don't want to have really big pieces of leeks in your stew. These look pretty good to me. All right, so garlic. You got to have fresh garlic no matter what in stew. I'm gonna put the whole bulb of garlic right in like this, okay? Okay, so these are my ingredients of the stew. Basically, it all gets tossed together in a nice Dutch oven, and then we're going to braise it in the oven at a low temperature. So follow along. Oh, that looks so good. First thing I like to do is my garlic. I left it large. No need to chop it up any finer. It's going in stew. It's going to cook for a very long time. These are words of wisdom, people. Please grasp them and leave a comment and support your sponsor. I've been teaching culinary arts for a long, long time, and well, here we go. Nice hot Dutch oven. Going with some of this sunflower oil. Yeah. Garlic. Got a large hot wok here. I'm going to start browning some of my meat. Okay, and a few minutes later, I'm getting some flavor coming off of here now. Leeks. Okay then, time to put the carrots. One bay leaf. Herbs de Provence. If you don't have this, click the link and get it. That's the secret ingredient right there. Oh yeah. Fresh basil. I'll give it a quick chop. Basil goes in. Okay, I'm starting to put my meat in here. Oh, how does that stew look to you? Okay, it's time for a beer. We got a fine German beer here. It's gonna be good. The beer, you put the beer in all at once, like this. Yeah, that should be good. Let it cook. Okay, the beef stew's looking really good now. It's been cooking for a couple of hours. And we're going to add a little bit of cornstarch and water slurry to thicken it. Oh yeah, just like that. Looks really, really good. Okay, plating up this stew, I'm using a plain white plate with a wide rim here just to show you how nice it is and the consistency. And it's going to be a very, very simple garnish here today. Okay. Yeah, look at that. You could serve this over pasta or with potatoes, your choice. That's the finished stew right there. I'm going to put just a pinch of chopped parsley. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. That's going to be good. Basic beef stew with a wet rub marinade. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.